welcome to the July 2026 Hoop Studio unboxing. I am Jen from Kimberbell, and I'm so excited that you're joining me today. I am really excited to show you the project for July because we're doing a technique that is something we've never done in Hoop Studio before, so I hope you enjoy it too. We're calling this project the Floral Wash Set because you're going to get a hand bath towel and a washcloth in your kit, and you're going to make these really fun designs. Now let me tell you a little bit about them because this new technique is a machine embroidery embossing technique. And what will happen is you can see the background is a dense stitching, and that kind of pushes the terry cloth back and helps the white part kind of come forward and give it that fun, fluffy look, and just really enhances this project. So this one is this beautiful vase with the flowers in it. And don't you love the swirl in the background? That really just elevates and makes it feel elegant. It's going to be beautiful in your bathroom. Now you also get files to make a design on a washcloth. So this is the set. This design is not necessarily the embossing style, but it still kind of helps the flowers kind of puff out a little bit. So hopefully you can see that and have a lot of fun with this. So let me tell you what you're gonna get in your kit for this month. Of course, you've got to have those bath towels, right? And the washcloth. So you'll get this fluffy white bath towel and washcloth in your kit. And because you're using a lot more thread for this project, we thought you need to have your own thread. So we've included the blue, it's Admiral glide thread and a blush glide thread that you'll get in your kit as well. So you'll get these full spools of thread in your kit. And because of the terry cloth, when you stitch on it, those stitches can get lost in the terry cloth. So we're also giving you 2 pieces of wash away topping, so that helps hold the stitches on your towels and it brings out your design a lot better. So those are the things you're gonna get in your kit this month. I hope that you really enjoy this project. It's one of those things that you can do for yourself, or it's super giftable. And not only that, but once you have the files, you can go get more towels and get towels in the colorway that you want and gift those. Wouldn't it be fun to take the washcloth and buy a boutique-y kind of soap and wrap that in your washcloth with a beautiful ribbon and gift that to a dear friend or a family member? Lots of things that you could do with it. Keep this one for yourself and make lots others for other people. That's up to you how you want to do it. But this is a really fun project and I hope that you enjoy it too. One of the questions I know you guys are going to have is about washing these. So the tip is when you first get your towel or your washcloth, you're going to want to wash it and make it nice and fresh. Put it in the dryer so it's nice and fluffy. The instructions are on the towels, so that will be helpful. So wash it first, and then afterwards you can go ahead and wash it after. You're going to want to wash your project after you stitch it out because of the sticky back stabilizer will leave some residue. So go ahead again, put it in the washer, dry it. If it looks a little wrinkled, just take your iron and just kind of heat that up and spread it out, and it looks so beautiful and fun. So that's how you take care of the washing. We have a giveaway that's going to be really fun this month. Let me show you what it is. We love our leather here at Kimberbell. So we have a silver leather that you'll get. You'll get these are handy snips, scissor snips that are nice and sharp. You'll get that. And you'll also get the silicone iron rest mat. So for all of your mini projects, your iron's right there. You can just set it right on this mat and keep your other surroundings safe from that iron. So those 3 things are the giveaway this month. Now, how do you enter? So to enter, go ahead and write in the comments, do you want to keep this wash set for yourself? Do you want to give it away to someone, or do you want to do both? Keep it for yourself and create a new one and gift another one for friends. So let us know what you're going to do with this floral wash set, and we will let you know on Friday who the winner is. So Thank you for joining me. I hope you go enjoy some well-deserved me time.